Right, so it's exactly 6 o'clock now. I don't know if you can see that. On the 24th of January 2020, and I've set up. I'm over on the end of the Prince's Pier in Falmouth. Very well wrapped up because it's January and it's very cold at the moment. I'd guess it was, like I've already said, about 2 degrees. Maybe 1, maybe even approaching 0, I don't know. Cold anyway. And I've now got my hand line set up. But first, I must mention, I plumbed the depth, and this bar here, from the top of that bar down to the seabed directly below this pier, we're at the end of the pier in Falmouth, is my feet, 31 and a half of my feet. I'm not sure, my feet might be slightly smaller than the actual length of my foot. I ought to measure it when I get home, but not much different because I'm size 9. I'll measure my boots when I get back. It's probably just under a foot. So 31 and a half of my feet, which is about maybe 30 of an exact foot, 30 feet, down to the seabed. And I'd guess the tide's right in now, fairly almost right in. And I'd guess there's about between 10 and about 10 foot distance between the top of the sea and the top of this bar. So the actual depth of the water is between 20 and 15 feet. So that's in metres, 5 metres deep, tide's right in. So here's my hand line there, and I got a string of feathers which you would use for sprat fishing or small mackerel, and I've baited them with this fish finger, which I've chopped up with my knife. And what we do before I finish, right, and what I'm doing is I'm just going to leave it for an hour and see if there's any fish on the end, because it's very cold, I don't want to be messing around. But before I pack up, basically I'll just explain. I've got a string of feathers. At the bottom of the string of feathers is quite a heavy ledger, and at the top of the string of feathers, tied in place, is one of these bubble floats. Here, got them in a bag, got a spare one, and that bubble float is getting sunk by the heavy ledger, but it's holding all the feathers up. And they're all baited with fish finger, like I said, so that bubble float is keeping them all upright, because it's at the top of the line, string of directly above where it joins onto the main line, keeping them all lifted above the seabed. Just have one little look now. So hand line's keeping it inside the bag so nothing tugs it away. I have to tug my bag away as well, which is quite a heavy bag. Before I log off, I'm just going to look at how deep do we think the water is. I'm going to go over to these steps. Tide is, like I say, pretty much high tide. So down there, the water's just lapping it near the base of this. So it's the distance from that water up to the top of that bar. The water, you probably can't see, it's too dark. Just about see it. I could measure that with my feet, and I might do that, and then I can get an estimate of how actual deep. If I stand here, I'm just half a foot above the water level on these steps. And I think if I stood on my head, there'd be another one of me. From the top of my head here, up to that bar. So that's about maybe just over a bit more than me. that's about 12 feet. So you minus 32, 31 and a half feet minus 12 is about, my head now is level with this bar, near enough, where I'm standing here. It's this step here, which is in line with just a bit above that. With my head now, if I stand down here, I see where my head is. And I'm now on that bottom step again. My head is, there's the same thing there. So we'll have to compare to that step where I was standing. Looks like it's two of me, about 12 foot. Well, I'm less than 6 foot, so it's between 11 and 12 foot. Right, I'll turn it off now.